Build succeeded.
Okay, now inside, and let's imagine I'm a journalist. The first one is 5 a.m. in the morning. Everyone else is still on their way wait, were there subways in the 60s? Perhaps. And I'm going to start my first article of the day. Trump, President Trump.
Says North Korea is a danger to Republicans.
Okay, as you can see,
New line.
there you go. As I type a word, so I would say cat. It seems like everything is randomized. If I press space,
Cat.
cat, right? It has spoken the word and it has flushed the word. And I press enter,
New line.
and it does the carriage return. If I maybe moved a bit further, and this time it should the sound should come in from the left.
Get. Shorty.
Get Shorty. Okay, that's a movie I used to like before.
New line.
It was with I think it was with the guy, Jack Nicholson. Yeah. Anyway, so basically, this is what you can do with the commands. I've just given you an example so that you can, kind of play around with it and, see what you can come up with.
Xcode. Stop.
So thanks everybody for following this one. I hope you actually like the format of it. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact me. It's Antoine, Antoine, at OSeyeris, so OSeyeris.com. And, if you have some technical issues, like for instance, you're not able to open the project, or, you're having difficulties building or running it, or, maybe you have some other question which goes outside of the scope of this specific tutorial, I could answer. I can't answer all the questions, obviously, because I have a life, but I will try to do my best. All right, guys, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next podcast.
Welcome back to the 72nd chamber.
Boom. Hi. All right, so this is Yuma from OSeyeris in Brisbane, sunny Queensland. It's beautiful 29 degrees today, right in the middle of winter. Something's going on. Is it, colliding planets? Is it climate change? What is it? Is it Donald Trump? I don't know. In any case, podcast number 5, in this one, what we're going to do is a control mapping. So in this one, you'll learn how to map all of your keys to different things. We're first going to do a very easy example for mapping the space bar, the return, carriage return, and so on. There's a couple of things you'll need to know, such as interpreting the default key mapping and then changing it, overriding certain non-alphanumerical keys, such as, again, the carriage return, or modifier keys, or the tab key. All of these can be overridden and given their own function, and so we'll be using some switch statements in order to tap into the power of controls. Those will just be the key controls, but on some of the other podcasts, we'll be also doing trackpad, how to put vibrations and so on, but let's not put all the eggs in the same basket. So, in this one, imagine we're back in the 1950s and 60s, when you used to have those old Olivetti typewriters, the mechanical ones that make a lot of noise, and every time you wanted to go to a new line, you had to use this little manual lever and then kind of slide the thing left and then right. I don't know how us as blind people used to use those typewriters, but I thought of an alternate world where this existed and our profession was journalists. Now imagine you are in an office space and all of us are blind and we're writing articles to cover everything that is happening around the world. Now we all have attached screen readers to those typewriters. It would be such a cacophony. I wouldn't know if I'd wanted to be a journalist. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start this podcast. Sorry, I just received a call. Strange. But get onto your control panels and let's start it up.